Hi, I'm Ash Qureshi.
And I'm Ahmed Abdurrahman.
We're from Denmark Street Dental Practice in Gateshead in the northeast. We came on the bone manipulation course. Amazing presenters, Mukesh, Azhar, Sam, really good, really knowledgeable, really fun, and when they say practical, it is practical. It's not too theory heavy, it's not too boring, it's everyday, real life implant skills. I think we've already got patients that I think we can use this on. The equipment, first rate, great support from great implant systems, Osstem, Ethos, like really enjoyed it, really good hands-on.
I would say if you want to take your dentistry implants to the next level, this is one of the good courses you need to go to. I really recommend bone manipulation. Thanks.
Bone manipulation.